This is the Maybelline Falsies Lash Lift. This one is in Ultra Black. Definitely sets the tone for bold lashes with zero fuss, okay? Double curved brush. Love it. Love, love, love. Grabs every lash from the root. And it has that fiber-infused formula, so it promises to deliver legit lift, length, and really that fuller look without falsies. Been there, done that, won't do it again. But the brush grabs, separates, lifts, all in one sweep. And I like the curl and the length. They're instant and obvious. The formula builds beautifully from everyday natural to full-on glam if you want to do multiple coats, but easily removed. And this one is ideal for anyone who wants a noticeable upgrade without extensions, without lash strips, plays nice with sensitive eyes too. So if you're after a bold, ultra black lash that looks like you put way more effort into your look than you did, this mascara absolutely earns a spot in the routine. Highly recommend.